Yeah, this is a little HVAC check valve. The head that's on these 1984 Corvettes. Part of this, we got the vacuum source that comes off the rear of one of the throttle bodies right here, and then this nipple right here goes to the HVAC reservoir in the front of the car and the wheel well, and then this nipple right here controls the HVAC vents. Without vacuum, the vents don't work. You'll either have these vents up here. More than likely you'll just have the vents on the floor down there, but that's what controls the vents is this vacuum source right here. And this is a pretty common failure on these cars from what I understand, but these are about $4 or $5 at an auto parts store. I think if you have cruise control, I believe you have another source, or either this nipple here breaks off and goes over to the cruise control. But anyway, I'll show you where this one is. If you look at this is the wiper motor right here. It's right there. That's it right there. You can actually, it's a very short piece that goes over to the manifold for vacuum. So I just replaced that hose right there. But you can get to this by just taking off your air cleaner cover and moving some of these wires out of the way. You can get to without taking anything major out of the way. Like I say, one of these, this nipple right here, side one, goes to this HVAC reservoir right here. That's where one of the tubes goes to. And if you have cruise control, you'll have a break off point somewhere where this controls that also. But it's an HVAC check valve. It's pretty